Hello everyone, welcome to our Magic Mango Vlogs. Today in this video, I would like to do the cookery show on our favorite summer special mangoes. That is with the king of fruit, I am preparing the traditional Andhra style avakai pachadi, that is raw mango pickle. Here you are seeing the raw mangoes which I bought it from our mango trees. We have two types of mangoes for keeping the mango pickle, that is small achari and big achari. Now I am using the small achari which is famous for preparing the pickles as it's having the high bitter taste and more fiber content which gives good taste and the pickle stays for longer time. So let's check out the process for the pickle. So the process for keeping the pickle will includes many steps. So the first step includes the selection of mangoes. So first we need to select the mangoes which are in good condition. Then we need to remove the dirt and mud on the mangoes. So if any scars or any damages on the mangoes, we need to remove those mangoes from the mangoes which are selected. So then we need to select the color of the mangoes. It should not be ripe, and the size of the mangoes, as these are small achari, those will be small in size, but it's having high bitter taste and more fiber which gives a good taste for your pickle and stays for longer time. So in this way we need to select all the mangoes. So then I have removed all the dirt and mud on the mangoes with the water, and I have soaked it in a bucket for 1 to 2 hours in the water, and I have removed the water and clean it well. So then after removing the water, I have dried it with a dry cloth by cleaning all those things. So in this way the first step includes selection, cleaning and drying. So in this way I have removed from the bucket and spread over the floor and dried it well without any moisture. In the pickle preparation, we require so many containers, spoons, stirrers, grinders, sievers and pickle pots. So we need to wash it very cleanly and should dry compulsory in the sun without any moisture. The total process should done in the dry condition only. This way we need to dry everything in the sunlight for 3 to 4 hours. So even the salt and mustard seeds, everything, sieves and the stirrers, pickle pot, everything we need to maintain the dryness. A small kind of mustard seeds can be used for this mango pickle. So we need to clean it well without any stone, grind it into the powder. So in this way we need to grind this mustard powder. I am unable to get the rock salt, so I am using the normal salt, that is tartar salt. Main ingredient which gives the spiciness to this mango pickle is our red chili powder. I am using the 3 mango mirchi powder. So we need to sieve this also and sun dry. Garlic is mainly used. So first we need to take the garlic and we need to separate the garlic into this cloves, that is garlic cloves. So I have separated some garlics here. So you can see this. So in this garlic cloves we find some white layer on this garlic cloves. So we need to separate that also. So after removing the layer on that white layer on this garlic, we'll get like this. So we need to clean everything like this. So after removing everything, I will show you. So finally after removing the layer, we'll get the garlics like this. I'm using groundnut oil, that is Lion brand, for mixing. So we need to cut the mangoes in this cube shape. Actually we cut the mangoes by using special instrument that was done by some people. So because of this lockdown we are unable to cut the mangoes along with the seed. So we are just cutting the fruit type only, that is making the cubes only. We are not cutting the seeds. So I am using this kind of knife to cut the mangoes. So this was available in our home. So after cutting the pieces, next we need to take one bowl like this bowl, and now for the measurements we need to keep this bowl. So first we need to measure the mango pieces by using this bowl. First we need to fill that bowl, and according to that how many balls we are getting, according to that we need to add the powder we need to take, and we will measure this as 1 cup. So this is 1 cup. And And for the second time measurement, I got only 3 by 4th. So this I measure as 3 by 4th cup. So 1 3 by 4th cup I got for 30 mangoes. So these are the cups. So for this we need to add the powders now. By using the same bowl, now I am taking the red chili powder 1 by 4th cup of this. So according to the measurement, same bowl we need to take 1 by 4th cup. Whatever the measurement cup we are taking to that mangoes, with the same bowl we need to take all the measurements. I am using 1 by 4th cup of the red chili mustard powder, and the mustard powder also should be 1 by 4th cup. So salt also I am using 1 by 4th cup. I am heating the groundnut oil along with the fenugreek seeds, and I am completely cooling it. Then we need to mix everything like red chili powder, methi powder, and all these things, all these garlics, everything we need to make mix well. And now the final step is, here is our preheated oil. At the base of this pickle pot, first we need to add some mangoes to the oil. Then we need to dip, and then immediately we need to take and add to the mixed powder into a bowl, and just we need to coat that with that powder well. So in this way we need to mix it. So completely we should apply a coating to that mango. Then we need to shift to the pickle pot. So in this way we need to shift it. So in the final step we have mixed all the ingredients along with the oil and along with the mango pieces, and I have filled my pickle pot with all these ingredients, and you can take a look inside of it. So in this way I have mixed well. So see the oil content inside of it. We need to keep a cloth and we need to close this pickle pot. So the cloth should be very thin so that the air should disturb until 3 days. And on the 3rd day we need to remove the cloth and we need to check the pickle so that you can observe the layer of the oil onto the top of the mango pieces, and the level of the mango pickle is also increased. So this is the indication that our mango pickle is ready. Our traditional Andhra style avakai pachadi is prepared. So our mango pickle is ready. On the 3rd day we can serve it. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video.